Hello. At Dr. Jen Aesthetic, as you know now, we've made quite a lot of videos about hair transplant, and some videos are actually made out of the questions our patients ask us. But some questions sometimes are not detailed enough to make a whole video out of it, but of course we answer everyone individually, but maybe those answers can interest everyone. So today we made a compilation of some frequently asked questions about hair transplant. So without further ado, let's start with the first question, that is, I am thinking to come from abroad to Istanbul to have a hair transplant. How is the process? Well, as you already know, first you should contact us. You will do your online consultation. So in order to do your online consultation, you have to send us pictures from all angles of your head, so from in front of you, above your head, behind and on the sides. And then once we determined your baldness type, as well as we got more information about you, like if you have allergies or some sort, well, when you decide to come finally get your hair transplant with us, we organize everything for you. We will help you to find the cheapest flight tickets, and after we will organize your appointment with the doctor, as well as your whole itinerary, your transfer from airport to hotel, hotel to hospital, so on and so forth. So basically, once you decided to come to get your hair transplant at Dr. Jen Aesthetic, we arrange everything for you in order for you to not worry about anything. Then the next question is, how should I choose my doctor? Well, we all know that Turkey is famous for its health tourism. So of course there are a lot of companies and a lot of doctors, and that can be confusing for you to make your choice. So first you should make sure, of course, that the company you have been in contact with is working with a doctor. That's the first point. Then you should ask for the diplomas and maybe previous experiences to know more about this doctor. Then you can ask questions about the establishment. Is it a clinic? Is it a hospital? Does this hospital have certifications or not? This kind of information. Then finally you should check internet, because there are a lot of false information, let's say, but there are also a lot of real valuable information, so you can know more about the work of the company. Maybe you can find before after pictures. You can check the website of the company if the company has a website. You can check social media in general, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, so on and so forth. Next, the question is, do I need to bring a companion with me? Well, no, you don't need to. In fact, it is a minor surgery, so usually our patients come alone and there's no problem. Of course, if you want to come with someone, it is totally fine as well. There will be nothing extra for you to pay, nothing extra for the transfer, nothing extra for the hotel. Just keep in mind that during your operation, the person that came with you will, of course, not be able to enter the room, to be with you in the same room during your hair transplantation. So, next question. How will be my follow-up? Well, directly after your surgery, the doctor will provide you instructions to follow, and he will also explain you the medicines you will have to take. At least 24 hours later, you will come back for your first hair wash, and once you will be back in your country, you will have an online follow-up, which means that you will be able to contact us at your convenience to ask us anything you want. Then the next question is, can I be treated abroad if any complications occur? Well, hair transplantation is a minor surgery, so it is extremely unlikely that any complication will ever occur. So you don't have to worry about post-operative risks, but if it had to happen, well, it would be maybe within the first 24 hours after the operation. So it means that you will still be in Turkey, in Istanbul, and it means that we will bring you back to the hospital and directly take care of you anyway. After, if you still have concerns once you're back to your country, once you're abroad, Well, as we already explained in our previous answer, you can contact us 24/7 and we will be able to provide you all the recommendations you need. So now, here is our last question, that is, how many days should I stay in Istanbul? Well, first, as a matter of information, you should contact us at least 2 to 3 weeks before the expected date you want to come, just to make sure there are availabilities and to arrange everything for you here. After, once this is fixed, we recommend you to stay 4 days including 3 nights. You will see that we offer different packages so you can have flexibility, but the shortest duration is 3 days including 2 nights. And on the other side, of course, if you have a very flexible schedule, well, you can stay way longer than this, of course. So that's it for today's video. Let us know if it was helpful and useful to know maybe answers of questions you didn't ask yourself maybe. So let us know what you think about this concept. Otherwise, thanks again for following us and see you in the next video.